Today, I am going to teach you the fourth part of the advanced leaping universal drum, which is mixing. On our previous video in the basic leaping universal drum on mixing, we were playing 6 lines, but on this one, we are going to do 4 lines. So today, I am going to teach you only 2 lines. The first line is I, a san, ha, I, a san, ha, I, a san, si, I, san, ha. The second line, it's the same as the first line, but at the end, it's I, a san, si, u, ha. Now, let's try it on the drum using the speed of 110. Ready? Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check us on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Mandarin Chinese Group. I hope you enjoyed today's class. See you next time. Goodbye.